When designing the Beso Table program, the idea was to create a program which was very pure, very basic, and using geometric forms, rectangles, squares, circles, not too complicated, small, large. And the whole idea was to create a program which was flexible enough to work with the Beso program. The chairs, the loungers, and now the tables complete the project. One important thing for me was to make sure that there was enough leg room around the tables for people to sit comfortably. That's why the structure was designed in this way. The legs are pushed in as much as possible together, creating better space for your legs. There's a structural beam which matches the tabletop and creates the accent and the icon for the design. And then the arms swaying open, creating good structural support for the table. And this results in a table program which is simple, pure, and fits any environment, whether at the office or in other situations. The Beso Table program not only consists of basic dining tables like this, simple rectangular, circular, but the beauty of the design is that it can grow into a full program. The leg structures are designed in a way that connectivity of tabletops is very easy, how you can create modular definitions for the tables to address different needs and uses. For example, in the office environment, are very easily adaptable with the Beso program. And that's, I think, the interesting part for this design. At the same time, because of its flexibility and modularity, it's a very, let's say, circular product. We use high quality materials such as solid wood, such as high quality veneers, powder coated steel. The beam itself is defined in solid wood in that sense, creating a new opportunity for personalization and selection of materials. For example, for my personal combination, my favorite, I can imagine to have a beautiful dark tabletop with dark gray anthracite powder coated legs, and then upholstery maybe which is complementary at the same time acts as an accent. Can be a beautiful setting. So you can see it's very easy to customize and personalize, and I think this would be a really nice combination.